Hello and welcome back, guys. So let's do the trade recap of today. Today is Monday, so look at this. Let's finish this all in 1:10. What the fuck you doing this? Reminders on reminders, huh? Yeah. So Euro USD, we were waiting for break and then retest. Break is happened, but the retest not happened. But now I'm seeing the daily haven't create the week to the downside. Even weekly haven't created the week to the downside. So I just won't be able to take the trade until and unless that week is got created. So that means this whole thing is gonna come down, a whole thing until this candle's low to create the week, and then it is gonna go up to take the trade to the upside. Same as a UDUSD, we are waiting for the weekly week to get created, even the daily week to get created. Until and unless that haven't created, I'm just not interested to take the trade. Eurocad was a beautiful, brilliant trade, is hitting to our take profit, but it haven't created a weekly week nor the daily week. So I'm waiting for the week to get created. That week, what the fuck week is? Week means the line which is above the candle and below the candle. Look at this. This is a line. This is line. This is line. So the line is not getting made until unless the line is not make. I'm not interested to take the trade to the upside. Euro odd. We're waiting for the break and retest to the upside, which haven't happened. We beautifully avoid a loss to the perfection, even though we got every single thing. Right here. Still, I was waiting for the more and more confirmation. That more confirmation just makes me avoid the loss. Signing off, brother. This is what the trade update looks like. Signing off. Peace. Let's come back tomorrow's. We'll look into it. If we got a trade, we got. If we don't, we don't force the fucking trades, because forcing the trades is actually forcing the account to do the loss. And I don't want to. I want to do the loss, but I don't want to do the loss outside of the trading plan. That's a bullshit loss. Let's come back tomorrow. Signing off. Eesh.